What is going up, traders? So in today's episode, we are going to be learning how to place limit orders and stop orders. Up on our chart, and we're doing the simulation trading because I don't want to hop in a trade and lose money here, lose real money. So we're just gonna put 3,000 shares, and let's say we buy, and so we hopped in, and let's give them. Oh, my buying power is rejected. Oh, that makes sense. It's Apple. Like, let's just do 1,000. Even that, I don't even know if we'll have enough buying power for. So let's just do 200. Okay, so let's click buy. All right, so we got filled here. And right here, as you guys see, we have our average price. And average price is very important when you want to learn how to average down and stuff along those lines. I don't do it, but many traders do. So let's say you say, okay, I want to set a stop loss here at 190.55. So you can either left click and whoops, hold on. So you can left click, then you can go down to sell custom, or you can just go down to sell. And as you guys see here, we have Apple at the 190.55 limit to close. You can change all this. Whoops, sorry about that. And then you click send. And it's all simulation trading, so all of this is you get filled on everything, but let's just make it a little lower. Let's just go 190.50. Let's buy it again. In the real stock market, and it's a little different. Whoops, charts, sorry. So then let's just go down to 50, then you left click, you go to sell, and then you can click it, and then it it's just doing this because it's all simulation, and they just want you to learn how to do it. But as you guys see, we sold right here. But okay, let's say you wanted to buy in at 155. So you left click, you can go buy with custom, then you can go buy with stop. Let's move myself here. All right, so as you guys see here, we have, let's say we wanted to buy it at 155. So we leave that. It's a limit order, and then however long you want to have it, good till cancel, just the day. And then here's how many shares you want to sell. So if let's say you wanted to sell half, whoops, wrong way. Whoops, there. Then you could make it 100. But I'm gonna sell all of it. And let's say you wanted to sell this at a limit or at a certain price. Let's just leave it. So now this is gonna sell if the stock goes below 198. So then we're gonna click confirm and send. Send. So as you guys see here, we have our limit order. So when the stock comes and hits it, and when it hits it, we get filled for 200 shares. And then if it continues to fall all the way down and goes right here, this is our stop loss. And you guys can move these around. So if that's, say you wanted to say, okay, I actually want to hop in at $190.70, click send. And let's say you want to say, okay, let's move this up right below here. All you got to do is click send. And then you can move this if you want this to get filled. Let's see if we can get it filled here. And then the X is obviously to cancel. But you can either click cancel / replace order. There's many different things that you can do. So let's just go to cancel replace. So now we're going to replace it. Let's say we wanted to get more shares. All you gotta do is click confirm and send. So now that changed to 1,000. And then we don't want to just have this have 1,000. We would also want this. So left click, cancel / replace. Whoops. 1,000 shares. Confirm and send. Send. Okay, so now this changed to 1,000. So now if the stock goes above this, it gets filled, but if it goes below this, we get sold out. Okay, so let's say we wanted to change this again. Whoops, I accidentally we can just go cancel replace. Then if you want to say, okay, why don't we you know, change, just, you could really change anything you want. It's pretty basic here, as you guys can see. Confirm and send. So everything pops up here. And then, so let's say, okay, the stock's not working out. All you gotta do is just exit out of them and they're gone, and now you won't get filled. But now let's say, okay, let's just buy in again. Let's buy. Okay, so now we bought in. Our average price is terrible. But let's say there's another way you can do it. You can go to monitor right here. Let's move myself. And Apple right here. All you gotta do is left click, create closing order with stop. And this one I don't like a whole lot because you can't see the chart, but then you can put in the numbers here, right in here. So let's just click confirm and send. And then when you guys go back to the chart, you guys can see the stop order. So that's pretty much how you create a limit and stop order on the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. So we're just going to get rid of this, and then we're just going to sell these just like this. Bam. I highly doubt that's real, but $18 profit. Alright. So that's pretty much it, though. This is all simulation trading, like I said before, and that's how you create a that's how you create a limit order and a stop loss order. It's very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to hit the subscribe button and let me know what you guys think about these. Alright, peace out. Thanks for watching.